guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious fish tea recipe, Jamaican style. Stay tuned. So these are my ingredients for today's recipe. I have some snapper fish head right here, so. Alright, over here so I have my produce ingredients. I have some pumpkin, celery, parsnip, carrot, green onion. Over here I have some yellow yam, some okra. I have my garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, and a few dried thyme leaves. Alright. Over this side, we have some fish seasoning. We have my fish flavor soup mix, grace. Alright. A little bit of salt. Alright, so we're just gonna jump into the video, guys. We have the water boiling right now. So we're just gonna add the fish first and then all the other ingredients right after that. First thing first, you wanna add some salt. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of salt, about a tablespoon of fish seasoning, and then we're gonna drop our fish head right in. Ooh. Now you just wanna stir it up a little bit. Then we're gonna add our produce ingredients. Just add everything just like that. And we're just gonna boil everything, guys, for about 30 minutes, 35 minutes, until the fish head is nice and soft. I'll mash out right in the soup and make a nice thick broth. So guys, after 10 minutes, right, you wanna add your soup mix. Pop it open. I was gonna drop it right in the pot. And give it a nice little stir again. And from my understanding, guys, growing up in Jamaica and everything, fish tea, you don't need to add a lot of food to it. It's like a more of a light type of soup. So just add a few veggies to it. You can add some spinach to it if you want, otherwise called dumpling, boiled dumpling, but that's like a personal preference type of thing, that's optional. But just keep it nice and simple, light and nice. It's already smelling good. Yes, guys, so after about 30 minutes, this is what the soup is looking like. The fish tea, Jamaican style. As you can see, guys, the soup is nice and light, not too thick. Just the perfect, consistency you're looking for. You don't want it to be too thick because, like I said, it's called fish tea, Ooh, smelling so good. Yes, guys, we're at that part of the video where I get to try the food and let you know how it turns out. Right, so we have a piece of yellow yam with some celery and the fish tea broth tonight. The texture is perfectly cooked, not too soft, not too hard, right in between. Whoa, flavored up on point. Little piece of parsnip, carrot. And if you're ever wondering how to cook the parsnip, a parsnip, basically cook it just like the carrot, same texture, They're basically like cousins, Yes, guys, so I just want to say thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.